Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Faster Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Guys, I will clear all your doubts regarding offer letter. Here you can see on the screen offer letter doubts. So many of the student got offer letter regarding Infosys 16th May exam. So I will clear all your doubts. You can see on the screen who will get the offer letter. So we will discuss about offer letter. What are the chances of getting offer letter? Who will get offer letter? Okay. And the next point is offer letter for which role? So you are so candidates are getting offer letter for which role? Is it for system engineer role or operation executive role? I will discuss everything in detail. If you have any doubt, you can send a message on comment section. You can comment your doubt and I will tell you, I will reply you definitely. Okay. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will update every video. Here you can see I have make many video regarding Infosys doubts. So please consider subscribing my channel. And also dosto, also friends, please press the bell icon. Also you can see our Telegram channel. There are 3 Telegram channel. You will find link of all the Telegram channel in description. So please join our Telegram channels. Okay, so I have Infosys discussion group and TCS discussion group, and also our Telegram channel. Okay, so please subscribe to all the Telegram channel. Okay, so I will consider first question, offer letter for which role. So guys, Infosys is sending offer letter for both the role. Okay, for SE role also and OE role also. Okay, so if you want to know more about the offer letter, you can see on the screen Infosys offer letter. Okay, so I have told everything about this. One of the candidate got offer letter, so I have told every details about him. Okay, so when did he had interview, for which role, he got, when he got survey mail, everything. Okay, so please watch this video to know how offer letter he got. Okay, so you can watch this video. I will link this video in description below and you can see on in I button also. Okay, now the next point is, you can see who will get offer letter, what are the chances. Okay, I will talk about this also. Okay, so here you can see this is offer of employment, virtual onboarding and training. Okay, so this is the offer letter you will get. Okay, so here are all the details I have described in previous videos, so you can check out this video. Now we will talk about what are the chances of getting offer letter. Okay, so let's talk about the process. What is the process of getting offer letter? First of all, you have to give the exam. Okay, so many of the candidates have given exam on 16th May. Okay, then the interview started from 25th. Okay, 25th or 24th of May. Okay, so you getting interview mail from 24th to 25th May. Okay, now what next? You will get interview schedule. Okay, so many of the candidate have done with interview on 28, 29, 30 and 31st. Okay, and the interview process is still going. Many have interview tomorrow also. Okay, so interview processes have not stopped. Interview is still going on. Okay, so if you haven't got interview mail yet, no, not to worry about it. Okay, you will get definitely. Okay, now the next process is interview result. If you have given answers correctly in interview, if you have qualified the interview, you will get to see a mail. Okay, so you will get to see a mail. Okay, I will you can see on the screen, you will get to see like this mail. Okay, thank you for participating in Infosys recruitment process and completing your interview run. Okay, so here you can see completing your interview run. As you cleared the interview, you will get to see this mail. Okay, you can see on the screen, here is the details, and they will also tell you you have to submit the response by a particular date. Okay, so this candidate got interview mail on 1st June. Okay, so the date is 2nd June for him. Many of the candidate got interview mail now, they have completed with interview now, so they will get different mail. Okay, so what is the point? Okay, here you can see click here. Simply you have to click here and this will open up a survey form. You can see on the screen survey form. So this is the survey form, you have to accept and submit. Okay, so if you have filled the survey form, okay, please focus on this. If you fill the survey form, definitely you will get to see interview mail. Okay, so you do so definitely you will get to see offer letter. Okay, who will see the survey form? Who have completed the interview, who have qualified the interview. Okay, so if you qualify the interview, you will get to see survey mail, and you fill the survey mail, definitely you will get to see offer letter. Okay, so no need to worry. If you have filled the survey mail, definitely you will get to see offer letter by today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow itself. Okay, no need to worry itself. Don't burden, don't take stress, you will definitely get to see offer letter. Okay, so one requested question is, you can see on the screen. So this is a survey form. Okay, you have to fill your basic details, your email ID, you have to select you want to join Infosys or not. Okay, so you have to select yes and all the details. Okay, so many of the candidates are facing problem in this survey mail that are you currently employed. Okay, so if you are currently employed, you have to select yes. If you are totally fresher, you have just passed out and you have not done any job, so you have to select no. Okay, this is the thing. And the second thing is, do you have a laptop desktop with 8 GB RAM, a webcam, a microphone, and a stable internet connection to stream video smoothly. Okay, so here you have to select yes. Okay, this is totally my recommendation, totally my opinion, that you have to select yes. I will tell you the reason behind it. Okay, so if you already have a laptop or desktop, you have to select yes definitely. Okay, so if you don't have a laptop or desktop, then also you have select yes. Okay, you can buy a laptop. Okay, it's not worry. Okay, but if you select no and by chance if they reject your offer letter, that will be a huge problem. You can buy a laptop anytime, but you won't get job again. Okay, so job chances are very less. So please select, yeah, either. So please select yes here. Okay, now the next is 8 GB RAM. If your laptop or desktop have a 8 GB RAM, so many of the candidate mailed me and messaged me that they don't have a 8 GB RAM laptop or desktop. Okay, so many of the candidate have 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, and so on. Okay, if if you have less RAM, you can upgrade it anytime. Okay, so no need to worry about it, but select yes here. I am repeating, you have to select yes here to get the offer letter. This is totally my opinion, totally my experience. Please select yes here. Okay, so if you don't have a laptop or desktop, buy it. If you don't have 8 GB RAM, upgrade it. Okay, you can upgrade you can upgrade RAM for 2000 and 3000 only. Okay, but you can get a job if you update your RAM. Okay, so please update your RAM if you don't have 8 GB RAM. And the next is webcam. If you don't have a webcam, please purchase a webcam. You can buy a webcam online also. Okay, if you have a laptop, a new laptop, you will definitely have a webcam in it and a microphone also. Okay, now the stable internet connection. Now there is no problem regarding internet connection. We all have fast internet connection. Okay, from mobile phone you can take hotspot also. If your internet connection is not good, you can use Wi-Fi. Okay, you can buy dongle, modem, or anything, but don't select no. It can create problem. It can delay your offer letter. Okay, so if you select yes, definitely it will be good for you, and you will get offer letter soon. Okay, so I hope everything you will understand. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. I tried to explain everything to you. Okay, so if you got information, please hit the like button and tell your doubts in the comment section below. Okay, here you can see on the screen, I have posted many videos on Infosys itself. Okay, you have many doubts, I have cleared every doubts in videos itself. Okay, if you have problem regarding survey mail, you can check out. If you have problem in clearing interview, you can check out videos. Okay, so there are various videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share it with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching.